Hey gardeners, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore two fantastic organic gardening amendments. One is the Cocopeat and another is the Vermicompost. We'll cover when, where and why to use these to get most out of the garden. So let's get started. So first, what is Cocopeat? Cocopeat actually is a fibrous material extracted from the husk of the coconuts, and it's actually lightweight and it has an excellent water retention capacity and also provide a great aeration to the plant roots. Because it's pH neutral and chemical free, so it is a perfect medium for seed starting, potting mixes and container gardenings. We can use this Cocopeat when we have to improve the drainage in the soil and improve the moisture retention, and especially when we are in drier climates and want to improve the organic matter in the soil. So now second, what is vermicompost? So it's also a nutrition rich organic matter which is produced by the earthworms, and as they digest the food waste, and this compost is packed with essential nutrients and beneficial microbes and enzymes that enhance the soil fertility. We can use this vermicompost to enrich the garden beds, like garden soil, and improve the soil structure and boost the plant growth. And it's an excellent organic fertilizer that help you reduce the need for the chemical inputs in your garden. Now when, where you should use these two. So for the Cocopeat, it's ideal for the seed germination and transplanting, and you can mix it into our potting mix or in the containers or in the raised beds, or we can use it as a mulch around the established plants to retain the moisture and improve the aeration in the soil. Second, the vermicompost. It's a best used soil amendment which we can mix with our garden soil to improve the nutrition and support our roots to grow and for the overall plant health. Now why we should use these? First, we can improve the water retention, which will be ideal for our roots to thrive, and the organic matter which is provided by the vermicompost, which is beneficial for the vigorous plants and has the beneficial microbes and promote a healthier growth in the plant. Together they form a sustainable and organic solution to that, which will reduce your chemical use in your garden. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such organic gardening tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or experiences with Cocopeat and vermicompost. Happy gardening!